If you're one of those people who just loves to get away, but is tired of roughing it or sleeping in a tent, then the Carado Axion is the vehicle for you. Built on the Ram ProMaster 1500 chassis, it's one of the smallest motorized RVs at just 17 feet 9 inches. Despite its compact size, the Axion packs in a ton of features. Beginning on the outside, you'll find a beautiful 11-foot awning, a permanent step to make entering into your vehicle easier. And located just behind the step, you'll find your propane tank with all the connections easily accessible. Sliding a little to the rear, you'll find a very handy little device. It's called the External Quick Connect Propane Hookup, and it's great for connecting your small barbecue. Despite its size, the Axion is capable of towing up to 4,500 pounds thanks to your Class 5 receiver hitch with a 4-pin connector. Now let's slide around to the driver's side where you'll find all your utility connections. First, there's your 30-amp electrical connection, and then your city water connection. And just a few feet away, you'll find your sewage disposal system. Inside this compartment, you'll find a 12-volt macerating dump hose. Closer to the front, we find the water tank fill for those times you won't be hooking up to a water line. Under the hood, you're going to find a 3.6-liter V6 24-valve gas engine, capable of up to 280 horsepower. The vehicle comes with many other standard chassis features, like power mirrors, 16-inch polished aluminum wheels, a stability program including such things as drift compensation, trailer sway, brake lock differential, and hill start assist. And you can rest easy knowing that you have a 5-year, 100,000-mile chassis manufacturer powertrain warranty. As we step into the vehicle, the first thing you'll notice is the bright, beautiful decor, which includes easy-to-clean composite flooring and beautiful dark walnut cabinetry. The Axion's open floor plan provides you with the ability to move about with ease, or store a few of those items you're bringing along for the journey. At the rear of the vehicle, you'll find a full bathroom, which includes a toilet, a foldable sink and tap, and a totally enclosable shower stall. Across the way, you'll also find a full floor-to-ceiling wardrobe with more than enough space for all your clothing needs. Of course, the Axion has all the conveniences of home, including a full kitchen, which includes a 3.1 cubic foot refrigerator, a 700-watt microwave, a 2-burner recessed propane cooktop, complete with flush cover, and a stainless steel sink. Down below, you'll find plenty of storage for all your cutlery and plates. And all those remaining overhead compartments can store all your daily needs. That comfy sofa you relax on can be transformed into a great eating area, or at the end of the day, a warm and cozy bed. For privacy, all you need to do is close the blinds and you're all set. Now, if it's a little warm and you want to cool things down, don't worry. Simply turn on your 11,000 BTU roof-mounted air conditioner. Or if it's a little nippy and you require some heat, you can count on your 18,700 BTU propane furnace to warm things up. Throughout the vehicle, you'll also find lots of LED lighting and outlets. The electrical needs of your Axion will be covered thanks to a 400-amp AGM battery and the 2,000-watt inverter converter. The Axion is the vehicle to just get in and go. So get yourself in the driver's seat, punch in your destination, and hit the road in confidence, knowing that your Axion is covered for 2 years or 24,000 miles, plus a 2-year roadside assistance program that will give you all the peace of mind you'll ever need. Experience the comfort and ease of driving the Carado Axion. Your dream lifestyle awaits.